Outdoor lighting needs to adequately illuminate space for the benefit of customers and employees. If employees or customers are not present, UltraLink wireless Bluetooth controls dims the lighting. At Irvine BMW, we are dimming by 85% 30 minutes after business hours. Each customer can select the dimming level, when to dim, how long to dim that they prefer. When someone enters an area, motion sensors return the light levels up to 100% immediately. The lighting will dim again after motion is not sensed for 10 minutes. In operation, customers and employees get maximum illumination during business hours. And UltraLink is at the ready to return the system to 100% whenever activity is sensed. With this control scenario, lighting at Irvine BMW is operating at a dim level about 80% of the operating hours. Beyond the huge energy savings, the life of the lighting is doubled because when lighting is dimmed, the components run cooler, extending longevity and increasing value.
This is our third facility using Linmore and UltraLink. We're averaging 90% energy savings across the facilities, and we'll continue to implement this system across our entire auto group. The light levels and security improvement have been incredible.
At Silvair, our vision is simple, that every building should be sustainable. Well, we do our part by providing a lighting control technology that enables vast energy efficiency improvements from the lighting system. Retrofitting with LED lighting and network lighting controls is an easy and cost-effective way to create a more sustainable facility. But how we do this is really unique in the industry. We work through partners providing software that ensures wired-like performance from a wireless network lighting control system. We also provide applications that generate energy use insights that building owners can use to better manage a facility. An example of one of these applications is our energy dashboard, which provides a comparison of before and after retrofit energy usage, as well as the associated cost of energy and projected cost savings. This not only validates savings prior to the retrofit, but provides monitoring of ongoing energy changes over time. A facility manager can also make control strategy changes, use those same monitoring tools to measure the impact. Working with Linmore LED and Irvine BMW is a great example of how together we can deliver a more sustainable future.